Yeah, hi there. These comments are for Henry. I'm going to listen to your pronunciation practice lesson number 12. So you did 2 voice recordings. So let's take a look at what you say. Okay, here we go. Hold on.
And when the fight was done,
Okay.
Lesson 12, Voice Recording Exercise 1. 1. The ram in the dune was fought for in the duel, and when the fight was done, the rook ruled.
Okay.
2. When you are in a rude rut, you can go to the zoo to see a hunk of gorillas who chew gum and eat gug.
When it's use that word zoo there, not sue, but zoo, you got to put more vibration on that sound.
3. A swan of cooks come to the house to prepare.
Take that word, ooh, swoon. Make the vowel longer there, swoon. A swoon of cooks.
Your foods, not numb to the guests who all say yum.
Okay.
4. At noon, the new nuts and jewels on the nook were taken by a thief who threw everything into a sack and who jumped through a window.
Okay.
5. The scud, the sludge, and dew at the new school was dumped into a brook.
Got it. All right, let's practice these one more time. So number 1, the rum in the dune was fought for in the duel, and when the fight was done, the rook ruled. 2. When you're in a rude rut, you can go to the zoo to see a hunk of gorillas who chew gum and eat guck. 3. A swoon of cooks come to the house to prepare a yule of foods, not numb to the guests who all say yum. 4. At noon, the new nuts and jewels on the nook were taken by a thief who threw everything into a sack and who jumped through a window. 5. The scud, sludge, and dew at the new school was dumped into a brook. I'm going to say there were. I think were is better there because we have 3 different subjects there, so the verb should be plural. My mistake. All right, let's keep going.
Lesson 12, Voice Recording Exercise 2.
All right.
According to the book, the electrical basis for the magnetic properties of matter has been verified down to the atomic level.
Okay, take the word it's matter, not matter, but matter.
Because the electron has both an electric charge and a spin, it can be called a charge in motion. This charge in motion gives rise to a tiny magnetic field.
Okay.
In the case of many atoms, all the electrons are paired within energy levels according to the exclusion principle, so that the electrons in each pair have opposite anti-parallel spins and their magnetic fields cancel.
Okay.
In some atoms, however, there are more electrons with spins in one direction than in the other, resulting in a net magnetic field for the atom as a whole. This situation exists in a paramagnetic substance.
Okay. All right.
Lesson 12.
I think overall you have pretty good, command here, so you're making progress. So let's read the passage one more time. According to the book, the electrical basis for the magnetic properties of matter has been verified down to the atomic level. Because the electron has both an electric charge and a spin, it can be called a charge in motion. This charge in motion gives rise to a tiny magnetic field. In the case of many atoms, all the electrons are paired within energy levels according to the exclusion principle, so that the electrons in each pair have opposite anti-parallel spins and their magnetic fields cancel. In some atoms, however, there are more electrons with spins in one direction than in the other, resulting in a net magnetic field for the atom as a whole. This situation exists in a paramagnetic substance. Okay, so I think we're good.